Good day and welcome back to Sheldon's Gardening Tips, your complete DIY guide for everything lawn and garden care. Now today I'm going to be tackling one of those very frustrating issues that a lot of Zoysia owners are plagued with, that is Bermuda grass invasion. So this Zoysia lawn, I have been plagued for quite a while with Bermuda grass. Making its way over into the Zoysia lawn. So as you may have known by now, I do have Zoysia grass as well. So I use the same lawnmower to cut both lawns. So maybe that is where the crossover took place. So if you are like me, who want to have your Zoysia lawn looking clean and free of all weeds, then this video is going to be for you. Now, in case you're wondering, why does it matter to get rid of get rid of Bermuda from your Zoysia lawn? So Zoysia is a very aggressive grass. It grows via stolons and rhizomes. Now stolons are above ground runners, whereby rhizomes are below ground runners. Now those will take over the grass if allowed to do so over time. For me personally, I like to have my Zoysia grass separate from my Bermuda grass because both have different appearances. So I like my Zoysia grass to be separate from my Bermuda, and I don't want to have a situation whereby Bermuda grass is taking over my Zoysia grass. So the products I'll be using to tackle this problem is they are both herbicides. So one is called Recognition, and that will be combined with Fusilade II. So I'll be using a 1 gallon sprayer, and I'll be using 0.8 milliliter of the Fusilade, and that will be mixed with 0.5 grams of Recognition herbicide, and that will be mixed with a gallon of water. So I'm using a 1 gallon sprayer. It has a fan nozzle, and that will ensure an even coverage. Now, whenever you're applying this chemical to your lawn, it's important that you do it on a calm day when there is no wind and there is no rain in the forecast. The lawn should not be mowed 2 days before and 2 days after the application. Well, in the past, I have worked with 1 day before and 1 day after, and I have still had good results. However, on the label, it does mention 2 days before and 2 days after. As I've said, I have done it a day before and I have not had issues. It's always important to wear a mask whenever you are doing this type of job, because you want to ensure you don't inhale those harmful chemicals, as you would imagine that wouldn't be good for your health. Now, in case you're wondering, how does this work? The Fusilade II is a grass selective herbicide that tackles Bermuda Now the recognition works like a softener, so it protects your Zoysia grass while still allowing the Fusilade II to do the job on the Bermuda grass. Now you will start seeing results within the next 10 to 14 days after the application is done. The Bermuda will start to yellow, then start getting brown, but your Zoysia will remain healthy. Now, as you would imagine, it's possible that you may have missed sections when you go over. So within the next 2 to 3 weeks, I might be required to go through and spot spray a few areas that I may have missed during this application. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, give the video a like, drop a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you again in future videos.